Hi dears, today our topic is digestion in human. The digestive system of the human body comprises a group of organs that working together to convert food into energy for the body. The digestive tract of the human starts with the mouth and ends with the anus. The human digestive system and nutrition is a vital process which helps living beings to obtain their energy from various sources. See, the digestive system of human contains several parts such as mouth and mouth cavity, liver, gallbladder, large intestine, rectum, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine and anus. The digestive system of human includes various structure such as buccal cavity and mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So let us know about these structures one by one. First one is buccal cavity and mouth. Mouth is also known as buccal cavity. Food is taken into the body through the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. It involves in the process such as chewing and swallowing the food. Mouth has the salivary gland which secretes saliva. Saliva keeps your mouth and throat lubricated and comfortable. It moistens food so it's easier to swallow, and saliva contains an enzyme called amylase which helps the stomach break down starches in food. Esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. The swallowed food is passes into the passage called esophagus. Next is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped flattened thick-walled bag. It is situated towards the left side of the abdominal cavity. It receives food from the esophagus at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. Means the one end of the stomach is receives food from the esophagus and another end is connected to the small intestine. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Here the mucus protects the lining of the stomach and hydrochloric acid break down the food, and the digestive juices break down the proteins into simpler substances. Next structure is small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meter long. The digested food passes into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. The process is called absorption, and the inner wall of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. Here, the function of villi is to increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food, and each villi has a network of thin and small blood vessels which is close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials, and the absorbed substances are transported via the blood vessels to different organs of the body. Next is large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine, and it is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food materials, and the remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The last part is anus. Anus is the opening at the end of the digestive tract, and the fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called digestion. This is about digestive system and their structures. If you have any doubt, please comment on this section. Thank you.